Stun your passengers with the metallic sheen and luxurious feel of our Galaxy metallic striped leatherette seat covers. These superior cushions are durably built for comfort, backed with 3mm foam padding for a relaxed, smooth ride. The Deluxe Leatherette features a bold, iridescent trim and perforated panels at the center, allowing the fabric to stretch and breathe. Plus, special stitching along the sides allows for side airbag deployment. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats. The built-in zippers allow access to the center console and cup holders, seat belt buckles, as well as the split sections of the seats. 2 zippered mesh extensions are included to cover the exposed sides. Our premium leatherette covers can accommodate traditional, heated, or cooled seats. Plus, they include a built-in slip pocket to keep all your personal items close at hand. As always, our products are of the highest quality and include everything you need for a simple and quick install. Offered in a variety of metallic trim colors, the full set includes 2 front bucket seat covers, a rear bench seat cover, backrest cover, and 4 headrest covers. Add to your purchase our matching non-slip carpet floor mats and metallic striped steering wheel cover to give your car a bold upgrade and a smooth, comfortable ride.